Sometimes the simplest snack brings the biggest smiles. Today I am making soft and flavorful egg cutlets, perfect for tea time or an evening snack. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Let's begin by boiling the eggs. In a saucepan, I poured water, placed 3 eggs, place the saucepan on medium flame, add half teaspoon heap of salt, let the eggs boil. Once the eggs boil, remove the pan from the flame. Drain the water, pour cold water into it, and then once the eggs are cooled, fill the eggs. Next, place a pan on medium flame, add half tablespoon of butter, let the butter melt. Now add 1 1/2 tablespoon of flour. Fry until the raw smell of the flour goes away, but the flour shouldn't change color. Now we will turn off the flame and let the flour cool for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a shallow plate or a bowl, grate the 3 eggs. Then we will keep this aside. We will place the pan on the flame. We will turn the flame on. We will add little milk. We will mix it. We will add total half cup of milk gradually and keep stirring after each addition. Kindly note there should not be any lumps formed. Once it starts thickening, we will add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix well. Cook on low flame. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of chopped cheese. Stir until the cheese dissolves. We will cook it until the mixture leaves the pan. Now I'll switch off the flame. To the grated eggs, add half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garlic finely chopped, 1/8 cup of carrot chopped, 1/8 cup of capsicum chopped, 1/8 cup of coriander leaves chopped, half green chili finely chopped. Then transfer the mixture from the pan. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix well. The mixture itself looks so tempting. Imagine how good it will taste once fried. It's simple ingredients, but when they come together, they create magic. Next, add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs gradually and mix after every addition. Then you can taste the mixture and add salt if required. I added less salt as the cheese contains salt. Grease your palms with oil, take portions of the mixture in your hand and shape into round balls. Then flatten slightly and shape into whatever shape you like. I'm shaping them into oval shape. Ensure that the cutlets are smooth without any cracks. Place the cutlets on a plate greased with oil. By the way, if you like this recipe, do give it a like, do share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here so that you don't miss what I share next. I have also shared veg, prawns, beef, chicken, fish, cutlet recipe on my channel. Do check them out if you haven't already. In a shallow plate, add some semolina, little breadcrumbs, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. In a bowl, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt and beat well. Dip the egg cutlet into the beaten egg and then coat with the semolina and breadcrumb mixture. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the cutlets on medium flame. Fry the cutlets in batches, do not overcrowd the pan. Listen to that gentle sizzle. This is the sound of something delicious coming your way. Once one side of the cutlets is fried, flip the cutlets to fry the other side also. No cracks, no breaking, just smooth golden cutlets. And here they are, my perfect egg cutlets, crispy, golden and full of flavor. This reminds me how simple recipes can be so satisfying. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.